Do you hear that voice inside you? It quietly whispers, I want to feel that freedom again. Right after you settle into your day-to-day routine after a big mountain adventure. Why does it keep happening? I have my theory, but it's a story for another day. This is how we deal with this itch.
We just returned home from our mountain mission, and we are tired and ready to have some peace and quiet. Can you guess what happened in just a week? We started longing for the outdoors. How do we deal with this?
We search for an easy hiking adventure in close proximity to home so we can run away there for a day. Today there is something good coming up, namely to Whara trek and Mount Lion. It's a good weather and not far from Hungary. It's gonna be a good day.
I just need that wind rushing through my hair, stroking my cheeks with rough blows. And I certainly need to feel my leg muscles getting tired again. It is like one of those rare addictions which bring more health into your life. This is also the best way to keep fit, staying in shape for the next mountain mission.
Right behind me is the Smuggled Bay. You can come in and enjoy swimming in the views for the whole day, or you can carry on with a bit longer trek up Mount Lion. So many options for a fun day.
This place is magical. It starts and ends with stunning beaches. You get to see breathtaking views, and you also go through a typical tropical forest of New Zealand.
This is the top of Mount Lion, not the greatest viewpoint ever, but the trek was satisfying so far. Such a cool walk at the top of Mount Lion.
People say this trek follows an ancient Maori trail, and I was imagining following their footsteps while hiking that day.
Here's a junction between the two treks. The Whara trek goes up there, and here's a shortcut down to the beach called car park.
What was so exciting for me as well is that we got to climb 900 meters in altitude and almost 13 kilometers in distance. This helped to sustain our fitness level.
So, why is this so critical to shake off an office dust from your shoulders and get your chest opened up towards that fresh wind of exposure and nature?
I believe we were never designed to be disconnected from Earth or from nature. We subconsciously desire to get back to that state of being surrounded by something alive, by something other than concrete, plastic, and measured noise of air conditioners.
My soul definitely feels suffocated if I don't get my heart rate up while breathing fresh air at the same time.
That is why this loop track became our favorite one as a quick fix from noisy city. If you ever experienced freedom and liberation of your spirit in outdoors, you will definitely understand us. After a day on the Whara trek, we came home refreshed and happy, with our inner balance restored.
There is nothing better than understanding that the hobby you choose is bringing you health, inner peace, pushes you to your limits and expands your mind. If you are also ready to break free, join us in this quest for finding your true self in this wilderness.
Check out these beautiful panoramic views, starting at Cape Brett in the north and ending at Cape Rodney in the south.
As a cherry on top of a cake, the ocean beach is the best place to finish up your pumped hike. This was that place where we decided to stop our rush and take in a deep breath. Nothing but calmness flooded our souls. It was a special moment of reflection of how grateful we are for everything we have and for each other.
The last stretch was an easy walk alongside the road to close the loop and get back to our car. The whole trek took us 5 hours, but we would advise to allocate the whole day to it so you could stop and enjoy the views.